Bonjour, fellow explorers. Planning your Paris adventure and looking for the ultimate experience? Whether you're considering a 4 days in Paris guide, a quick 2 days in Paris travel guide, or an extended 5 days in Paris, we've got everything covered. This video is your ultimate traveler's guide to Paris, filled with iconic landmarks, hidden treasures, and unforgettable experiences. Let's dive in. We start with some of the must-see sights of Paris. No matter how many days you're planning to spend in Paris, visiting the Eiffel Tower is a must. For a richer experience, opt for a universal tour guide Paris option that provides you with fascinating insights and easy access. Next, immerse yourself in art and history at the Louvre Museum. With over 300,000 objects, it's impossible to see it all, but make sure to check out the highlights like the Mona Lisa and Venus de Milo. Booking a guided tour helps navigate the vastness and ensures you don't miss out on any must-see pieces. And make your trip adventure. Paris is also about the hidden gems. For those who want to experience hidden gems in Paris, France, take a stroll through Le Marais. You'll find secret courtyards, historic alleyways, and charming little cafes that many travelers miss. A free walking tour Paris offers is perfect for those who want to get local insights while exploring iconic neighborhoods like the Latin Quarter or Montmartre. These tours are informative, and the guides often share stories and secrets you won't find in typical guidebooks. If you're looking to take your adventure outside of central Paris, one of the best day trips from Paris is a visit to the Palace of Versailles. The beauty of the palace and its gardens is truly captivating, especially when accompanied by a tour guide who can bring its opulent history to life. Another can't-miss experience is exploring Montmartre. Famous for its artistic vibe, this neighborhood was once home to artists like Picasso and Van Gogh. Today, you can watch street artists at work or even have your portrait painted as a memorable souvenir. For a more relaxed way to end your adventure, try a hop-on, hop-off bus tour. It's great for covering a lot of ground while letting you decide which attractions to explore in detail. This is perfect for travelers using a Paris blogger guide who want to hit as many landmarks as possible while capturing stunning shots of the city. Finish your journey at the Sacré-Cœur Basilica in Montmartre, watching the sunset from the steps of this stunning basilica. With the whole city of Paris spread out before you, is the perfect way to say goodbye to an unforgettable adventure. That's your traveler's guide to Paris. Whether you're here for Paris travel in 2 days, 3 days, or longer, this city has something for everyone. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the links in the description to book your perfect Paris adventure. See you in Paris.